I'm speaking from Los Angeles, California, darling. Yes, 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 yes. It takes a village. My brother is here from Canada. Ula is here. And Adrian is, I don't know where. But today we are doing yet another makeup tutorial with my palette in collaboration with JUVIA'S Place, the Queen Collection. As you can see, I'm falling apart. My earrings are falling off. I have to be fabulous, so let me put these earrings back on and then we'll continue. So as I was saying, I did this beautiful makeup tutorial with my JUVIA'S Place palette, the Queen Collection, and I used the two lip glosses. Ula is laughing. That's my brother. It's a family business. Thank you, bruv. So I used the two lip glosses and I used the Queen palette. It's going to be a silent only because I'm a mother. What can I tell you? I am running around with Adrian and I have another child, my brother. So sit back, enjoy, watch how I transform myself on this beautiful Saturday, and I will be right back to give you some tips and some tricks. Adrian wants to say hello? Okay, come on through. Pajuski. Guys, Adrian is going to be one in a couple of weeks. Hi, honey. And he's all over the place. Say hi. Pajuski. Hi. How are you? No, you can't touch it. I'm taking pictures yet. I have to take pictures, then you can mess it up. I love you too. Produce. You have to smile for the camera. Smile for your cyber aunties. They've missed you. La la. Alright guys, sit back, enjoy, and I will show you how I created this look. Adrian, say hi. No, you don't feel like it? It's got my earring. At least I know where to find it. Alright guys, I'll see you in a few. Mwah.
I've been running around in circles for so long. I never really understood what I did wrong. Was trying hard to find a place where I belong. I lived an empty life, but had to carry on. I guess I really was giving up on love, and I tried to block those feelings off. What did I do? In the middle of then it all came back when I thought that everything was lost. On a cold November night, when I met my Mrs. Right, made my feelings come to life again. When I thought I didn't care, I just saw her standing near, made my feelings come to life again. Now I wake up every morning next to her. I gotta pinch myself to prove that she's my girl. There's no place I'd rather be here in this world. Cause I have no doubt, and I know she is the one. I guess I really was giving up on love, and I tried to block those feelings off. What did I do? In the middle of then it all came back when I thought that everything was lost. On a cold November night, when I met my Mrs. Right, my feelings come to life again. My feelings come to life. I didn't care, I just saw her standing near, made my feelings come to life again. She's my Mrs. Right, my one, and only one. My one, one and only one. My one, one and only one. My one, one and only one. I guess I really was giving up on love, and I tried to block those feelings off. What else could I do? In the middle of then it all came back when I thought that everything was lost. On a cold November night, when I met my Mrs. Right, made my feelings come to life again. When I thought I didn't care, I just saw her standing here, made my feelings come to life again. On a cold November night, when I met my Mrs. Right, made my
Before I start, my darling brother said, Fumi, you know that Adrian has cyber uncles, and you guys remind me of this all the time. I know my audience is dominated by us sisters, but I love you, my cyber uncles, cyber brothers. You guys support me. You guys give your wives, my sisters, the money to come and buy the collab. So you know I love you, maximum respect. And I'm a mother of a son, of a little king. So yes. All right, moving along. Do we love this makeup? I love it. I appreciate all of the makeup tutorials you guys are doing with the collaboration. I post you guys. I make it a point to post a lot of micro-influencers because I'm a micro-influencer and anything can happen. You know, you can have your own collab, you can have your own collection. You just have to keep on believing in yourself. And I am so grateful to all of you all. But at the same time, I have to be out here in these Los Angeles streets, New York street, London streets, promoting my shit. Okay, moving along. So I came up with this pink. I came up with the pink, which is number 7, because I married Ula on the 7th of July. Adrian was born 7th of October, and I use Adrian underneath for that purple vibe. This is so gorgeous. You can wear it to a party. You can wear it out. It's just like a fun combo, and I haven't seen anybody do something like this because you know I'm a red sister. I love Ula, and I love that color red, but I wanted to do something softer. So it is F.D.V approved. It has to be. I chose the colors. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will be doing regular videos here and there, tutorials. I'm going to jump out of this episode and we are going to do monthly favorites. If you know, I'm an addict. I have spent all of Ula's money. He is borderline trying to separate from me. I said, no, I need your coin. And that's what we're going to do. I'm enjoying California. I'm going to be out here for another month. So guys, bear with me. This is a studio in my sitting room in Cali, and I'm having the best time. I would love to do a meet and greet with you guys out here. I have a couple of giveaways that I had from BeautyCon, from Trent Mood, the party that I went to, and I just might, depending on how generous I feel, might give you guys another palette. Love is love, guys. Gotta go.
I've been running around in circles for so long. I never really understood what I did wrong. I was trying hard.